this is an example how to add the modules to the car. So we need pick VAC or CPT or OBD2, then we click next, then we pick Gateway for each. Now we need to click Get ECU Ident. When you do the getaway, you need to take on the emergency lights. Remember to not do on the ignition, because you can do it because airbags will switch off, so remember that. And now we can see that Klima module is off. Then we need to click Test ECU CP Access. Now we are not authorized to this model, so we see that red table here, CP Access K invalid. Now we need to click again ECU CP Access. Need to wait a little bit. The colors will change here from the red to the dark green, then to the greens. Okay. From now you can add any of modules to the getaway. You don't need to do this step again, so remember that. Then we click Exit. We pick Klima. We click Next. You need to take the ignition on when you do this step. So now we can see that module doesn't work. Then we click Get ECU Ident. You can see that Klima and Webasto is not authorized in the car. So then we need to click Test ECU CP Access. Then we need to click Gain ECU CP Access. And now we need to add ECU to Gateway. We have this info successful, so CP programmed. Okay, turn ignition off for 3 seconds and how we can see the module is working now. Module of Klima is working. So